they actually set this truck off. I mean, take a look at this. Take a look at it inside. I mean, really, for real. It was worth it because that looks wonderful. Those are some of the best looking seat covers I've seen. To see exactly how we're putting these on, we'll be right back. All right, so I pulled the Velcro up from the middle with Dennis's help, and we're just gonna attach that. It's just a Velcro piece. And then we're gonna flip this back up. Honestly, it's hard to push this thing all the way back up. And quite frankly, in my truck, I have not been able to get it all the way back up, and nobody seems to notice, so, well, I don't mind. But we're gonna take this and we're gonna slide it through the seat right here, and we're gonna hook it up to the bar underneath. Hey, Dennis.
Yes.
Lift the seat up, please. I guess I should lift this one up too.
Pop it up.
Yep, pop it up. Can you grab those hooks?
Let me see.
You should be able to see them fairly easily. There's quite a bit of room down there.
Oh, I got them. Yeah, I got them.
Hook them to the bar down or whatever you can. Yeah, that's a big old black round bar down there, but that might be too thick.
Oh, I see. Hold on. I got something.
You able to hook it?
I got it. Yep.
You found it?
Yep.
Okay. So yeah, we just hooked it to the side. It won't hook to the bar. Okay, you can lower the seat back down for the moment. So as you'll notice, as I said, this center console will not go all the way back, but nobody will ever really notice, truth be told, because they'll be too busy admiring your seats and saying, oh wow, that's really cool looking, how'd you do that? But it'll actually fall into place later. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put the bottom seat covers on now, and they're nothing more than straps, so this is gonna go fairly quickly. You're gonna put them on and just shove the straps through the seat, just like you did with the front seats.
Okay.
So you take the straps, you just shove them down between the seats. And these are actually a lot easier because there's a much larger gap here to work with. When you get them all nice and shoved down there, you're gonna raise the seat up. All right, I'm gonna hold this up, just grab the straps and pull them through.
Okay, got two.
Should be, yep, and there should be two more down here.
One, and two.
Now just hook them vertically first. We'll tighten it all up here in a minute. Go through the back one first. It's just not horizontally situated yet, that's all.
Okay.
And we're gonna do the horizontal straps.
Okay.
There you go. All right, let the seat down and then you can start straightening this thing out.
This has to go in a lot more, it seems.
It does. That's why we're gonna wind up pulling on those straps quite a bit. Now we can start tightening. Go ahead and lift it back up again. Yeah. So for this one, for the last one, it's the single seat on the rear passenger side seat. It's the same thing. It's just the straps underneath. Put them on, tighten them up. That's all there is to it. Just make sure you put the straps in the right spot. The ones in the rear go through the seat. We're gonna raise this one up. So the first thing we do, we're gonna go with the vertical ones first. Now we put the horizontal ones on. And I'm just letting it up and down just to make sure that everything's even. And it looks like it is. You know what, Dennis? I think we're done. My fingertips, once again, are gonna be sore for another week, but I think we got this one done, which I think it looks pretty cool. What about you? Well, that was a pretty interesting install, to say the least. My fingers are gonna be sore for a minute.
Our fingers are going to be sore for a little while.
But I think at the end of the day, in fact, I know at the end of the day, it was worth it because that looks wonderful.
It looks great. Craig, you guys did a great job. The seats look great. Shall we open the door?
Yeah.
Let them see this.
That's beautiful.
I am very pleased.
That is absolutely beautiful. Oh my gosh. Took a few hours to get it in there. We did the front seats. We showed you guys how to do the back seats. If you want to see how the front seats are done, you can check out the other video where I installed the other seats. Look in the description below to see how you can get some great discounts on other Tesla items. Like and subscribe and comment. Let me know if you guys got these seats or not. What do you think of them? And we'll talk to you again soon. Peace.